Hello and welcome to this Scratch tutorial. So today we are going to be learning how to add a sound to a project. So you need to go to, in a sprite you need to go to the sounds tab at the top. So here you'll be able to see what sounds your sprite has. So to add a new sound to your sprite, for this cat sprite it's already got a sound called meow that's on it that makes a meow noise if you press that button. So, to add a new sound, you can go to the Choose Sound section and press Choose a Sound to go to Scratch's sound library. Scratch has a sound library Scratch has a library for sounds like it has a library for sprites and backdrops. So, you can preview the sound of a sound by hovering your mouse over the play sign like this. So once you've chosen the sound you want, so let's do this one, you click it for it to come on. So then you have another sound in your sprite. Another way to make a sound is to use the record section. Also, like backdrops and sprites, you can get a surprise sound like this. So you delete sounds by pressing the bin button on there. Then you can also upload a sound from your computer. So now we need to know how to add a sound to a sprite. So you need to go to the code section to do this. So, when you're in the code section, you need to go down to the sound bit. So, you'll find a few blocks to do with sound. So, we'll need to do the play sound until done block, where you can choose the sounds that this sprite or backdrop has, but only the sprite or backdrop. If another sprite has this sound, then you'll have to add the sound to the sprite you want to use with the sound. Okay, so let's have the trumpet one. So we need to bring in the green flag clicked block as well. Then try your project. It should make a trumpet sound like this. So experiment around with the block with the sounds, and also try using it in the backdrop. So we could use this background here, and you could add what you want. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe and watch more of the videos in this series. Thank you for watching. Bye!